Kamusta? Ako si May. Ikaw? Hello there! This video will provide you with the common words used in the Philippines to help you learn how to speak Tagalog or Filipino. Without further ado, let's get started! Mangga, 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 meaning mango. Pang-ahit, 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 meaning razor. Pako, 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 meaning nail for construction. Pandikit, 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 meaning glue or paste. Lubid, 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 meaning rope. Patalastas, 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 meaning advertisement or commercial. Tamad, 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 meaning lazy. Masipag, 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 meaning hardworking. Barberia, 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 meaning barbershop. Lanta, 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 meaning withered. Bulok, 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 meaning rotten. Malalim, 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 meaning deep. Anino, 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 meaning shadow. Palad, 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 meaning palm. Bituka, 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 meaning intestines. Bulag, 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 meaning blind. Samantala, 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 meaning meanwhile. Pag-asa, 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 meaning hope. Kung sakali, kung sakali, kung sakali, meaning if ever. Respeto, 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 meaning respect. Maaga, 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 meaning early. Timbang, 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 meaning weight. Bawat, 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 meaning each. Duda, 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 meaning doubt. Reseta, 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 meaning prescription. Thank you for learning with me. I hope to see you soon. Paalam!